Runner Dudes Fitness. The base building phase is the perfect time for you as a runner to add some resistance training to your program. Adding resistance training to your program can help you become a more efficient and stronger runner, just in time for your race training program. Today we're going to do a 12 exercise circuit that hits the upper, lower, and core sections of the body. The circuit includes resistance training, plyometrics, and some cardio, a little bit of everything. Because we're shooting for muscular endurance, we'll be doing higher reps and lower weight. So about 15 reps per exercise and about 20 to 30% of what you would normally use for dumbbell weight. So if you're used to using 25, 30 pounds, you might want to use 15 or 20 pounds, maybe even a 10 pound for some exercises. So let's get started. The first exercise in the circuit are weight plate twisting lunges. Lunge forward with your right leg, using good lunge form so that your knee doesn't go over your toes. Holding the weight plate at about chest level, stomach level, twist in the direction of the lunge. Do 12 to 15 reps on one side and then repeat on the opposite leg. Second exercise in the circuit are dumbbell curl arounds. This exercise starts with the basic dumbbell curl, curling up, then turning your palms out and slowly lowering the dumbbells. Because the resistance is harder going down, you'll probably use lighter weights than you typically would doing dumbbell curls. Going up and then repeating going down is 1 rep. Repeat this 12 to 15 times. The next exercise in the circuit are dumbbell step-ups. Place one foot on a bench or a step. Step up, tap the top of the bench with your opposite foot, then back down again. You do 12 to 15 reps with one leg, then switch and do 12 to 15 reps with the opposite leg. Next exercise in the circuit, seated dips. Place your hands on the edge of a weight bench. Lower your body down with your back as close to the bench as possible to activate those tricep muscles. To make this exercise a little more difficult, place your feet on a second bench and repeat the process. Do 12 to 15 reps. Next exercise is a plyometric called burpees. Place your hands on the floor, shoot your feet out behind you, stand back up, jump up into the air, repeat the process 12 to 15 times. To make it a little more difficult, try doing it on one leg. It's pretty tough. Next exercise, standing twisted shoulder press. Basic standing military press, but this one you will twist as you're pressing the dumbbells upward. Twist to the left and then twist to the right. That's 1 repetition. Repeat this process 12 to 15 times. Try to make sure that mainly your upper body is moving, trying to keep your lower body stationary as possible. Next exercise in the circuit, single leg quarter squats. Holding the dumbbells to your side, squat down on one leg, the other leg raised behind you, just going down partial, about a quarter of the way down. Going to activate those quads. Also activate the stabilizer muscles in the standing leg. Repeat this on each leg for 12 to 15 repetitions. Next exercise in the circuit, single leg heel raise. Stand on one leg, holding the dumbbells beside you. Raise up on the ball of your foot. Activate that calf muscle as well as the stabilizer muscles in that leg. Repeat the process 12 to 15 times on each leg. Next exercise in the circuit is a front plank with a leg raise. Put yourself in a traditional front plank,
Then raise one leg up as hard as you can go, activating those glute muscles. Try not to touch the floor when you come back down. Do 12 to 15 reps with each leg. Next exercise in the circuit, single leg jump squats. Stand on an exercise step, go down on one leg, then immediately jump right back up on that same leg. Continue until you do 12 to 15 reps on that leg, then switch and repeat the process with the other foot. If you have problems with your ankles or knee issues and the jumping might be a little bit too stressful, you can keep that leg stationary on the ground and not jump up and make it more of a squat activity. Make sure that when you squat, you get pretty deep to activate those hamstring muscles. Next exercise in the circuit, lateral lunges with a dumbbell. You're going to lunge sideways on one leg, keeping the opposite leg fairly straight. Go back as far as you can, get a good deep stretch with that hamstring and glute. Do 12 to 15 reps on one side, then repeat on the opposite side. To activate even more stabilizer muscles when doing this exercise, try doing the lateral lunge onto a Bosu ball, or a small stability disc would work as well. Remember to scoot that rear back as far as you can when you're doing that lunge to activate those glutes and hamstring muscles. Last exercise in the circuit is a 1 minute sprint. Hop on the treadmill or run outside as fast as you can for a good 1 minute sprint.
So that's it for the full body runner circuit. Remember, this is only to be used during the base building phase when you're wanting to become a stronger, more efficient runner. It's not designed to be used during the training phase when you'll be doing more intense aerobic workouts. If you do want to do something similar during the training phase, think of it more as maintenance and just do the circuit once without any weights. This is Thad McLaurin with Runner Dudes Fitness.